Yes. So today we will discuss the fifth problem, girls. So yesterday I have completed first, third, fourth problem. So now going to fifth problem. So fifth problem వచ్చేసి మనకి ఆయుష్ problem. So Ayush draws on a Pratham three bills for rupees 6,000, 5,000 and 4,000 respectively for goods sold to Pratham. These bills were for 1 month, second month and third month respectively. The first bill was endorsed to his creditor Adarsh. The second bill was discounted with the bank for rupees 4,900 and third bill was sent to bank for collection on the due dates. All the bills were duly made by Pratham. Past journal entries in the books of Ayush, Pratham and Adarsh. So in this problem, so Ayush is a drawer and Pratham is a drawee and one more Adarsh is a endarsium. So this chapter will be discussed bills. This chapter is a bills of exchange. Bills of exchange nothing but the drawee selling, after finishing that selling transaction, he is write down to the particular bill, that is called bill receivable, because Ayush draws on Pratham for three bills. So because Ayush draws on a bill, before in this write down the bill, before the Ayush sold goods to Pratham. Ayush sold goods to Pratham. After the selling transaction finish, Ayush write down the bill to Pratham. Okay na? All of you understood, amma? So first of all, Ayush sold goods to Pratham. After finishing that, Pratham received the goods and Ayush draws a bill on Pratham and he transferred the bill to Pratham. So the bill is receiving to the Pratham and accepted the bill and returned to Ayush. This is the same procedure of the every problem. So first selling transaction is finished, after that bills drawn and after that endorse the bill and after that bill sent to discount for bank and bill sent to bank for collection. So this is the same problem, this is the same type of problem, amma. So here so first of all Ayush draws a bill. Ayush draws on a Pratham three bill for rupees 6,000. Write down three bills, amma. The first bill value 6,000 and second bill value 5,000 and third bill value 4,000. The first bill duration how much duration, amma? 1 month. The second bill duration 2 months. The third bill duration 3 months. Okay na? First 1 month, second bill 2 months, third bill 4 months. So first of all, Ayush sold transaction to Pratham. Okay na? Ayush sold transactions to Pratham, amma. So write down in this problem Ayush and Pratham and Adarsh. So Ayush is a drawer and Pratham is a drawee and Adarsh is a endorsee. So first of all, write down to the drawer book. So journal entries in the book of drawer. So at the previous problem, same pro forma, date, particulars, LF and debit and credit. So first of all, Ayush sold goods to Pratham. Write down nothing but it is a credit transaction, amma, not cash transaction, but it is a cash paid to future. So okay na? So Ayush sold goods to Pratham. So this transaction is a credit transaction. Nothing but what is the meaning of credit transaction? So Pratham pay the cash in future. Okay na? So Ayush is a personal account. So personal account and sales is a real account and sales real account nothing but going the goods to purchaser. Okay na? Going the goods to purchaser. So Pratham. So okay na, amma? So Pratham. So journal entries lo first transaction em vastundi manaku Ayush sold goods to Pratham. Okay na? So in this credit transaction, not write down to the person name. So not write down to the cash, amma, because క్యాష్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ అయితేనే క్యాష్ అని మెన్షన్ చేయాలి. ఇన్ దిస్ రైట్ డౌన్ క్రెడిట్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ రైట్ డౌన్ టు ద పర్సన్ నేమ్. ఓకేనా. ప్రార్థమ్ హీఈస్ రిసీవింగ్ ద గూడ్స్ నథింగ్ బట్ పర్చేసింగ్ ద గూడ్స్. ఓకేనా. సో ఆయుష్ sold the goods and Ayush is a seller and Pratham is a purchaser, nothing but receiving the goods. So okay, write down Pratham account data to sales account. So this transaction will be understanding to the golden rule amma. So Pratham is a personal account rule nothing but debit is a receiver, credit is a giver. So Pratham is a receiver because purchase the goods will be receiving. Okay na. Pratham purchasing the goods nothing but receiving the goods. And sales account, sales nothing but it is a going the goods. Okay na, going the goods. And sales is a real account. Real account rule ఏంటమ్మా, real account rule ఏంటి మనకి, real account girls, golden rule real account, golden rule real account ఏంటి girls చెప్పండి అమ్మా. Okay, so first of all girls, all of you must and should carefully and read the golden rules amma, otherwise I don't know. Okay na. So and next, so after finishing the sale transaction and write down to the drawee book, so journal entries in the book of Pratham. So Pratham is a drawee because he is purchasing the goods. Write down purchase account data to Ayush account because purchase is a expenses nothing but pay the cash, but in this credit transaction, so write down purchase and to Ayush account because pay the cash to Ayush in future. Okay na, all of you understood amma. Okay, all of you understood first transaction girls. Hello girls, all of you, my voice is audible? Hello.
Okay ma'am, వినపడుతుంది.
So every problem must and should write down, must and should record the first transaction, sales transaction amma. If any problem, there is no sales transaction, but compulsory write down to the journal entries in first transaction, sales transaction. Okay na. సో ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లంలో కనుక మనకి సేల్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ ఇవ్వకపోయినా మనం సేల్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ అనేది మస్ట్గా మనం రికార్డ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా, ఇన్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం. సో అండ్ అనదర్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ finishing the recording of the sales transaction after Ayush draws a bill on Pratham. So Ayush ఏం చేశాడు, draws a bill. ఓకేనా, Ayush draws a bill on Pratham. So how many bills amma? There are 3 bills in this problem. The first bill value 6,000, the second bill value 5,000, the third bill value 4,000. In these 3 bills, 3 duration of months, some duration of the months. The first bill 2 months, first bill 1 month, the second bill 2 months, and third bill 3 months. So Ayush draws a bill on Pratham. So Ayush is a selling because he is receiving the cash in future. So write down bill receivable account data to Pratham account because Pratham is pay the cash to Ayush. Okay na girls, all of you understood amma. So Pratham is pay the cash in Ayush in future. Okay na. So bill receivable account data to Pratham account, but is write down to the bill receivable account data to Pratham account amma. So how many bills are draws amma? There are 3 bills. So 6,000, 5,000 and 4,000. Total bill value వచ్చేసి 15,000 is Ayush draws a bill. Okay na, all of you understood? So Ayush is a drawer nothing but seller. He is write down bill receivable account because he is receiving the bill in future. Okay na. So which person you pay the cash amma?
Okay,
Pratham. So Pratham is pay the cash. Okay na. Okay na.
Okay ma'am.
So next write down being bill drawn by
Okay
Ayush.
ma'am.
Okay na. And next one Ayush. So and next write down to the drawing book. So Ayush account data to bill payable account because Ayush draws a bill and transfer the bill to drawee amma. So the drawee receiving the bill and pay the cash in future. So the pay the cash in future. So first of all Pratham accept the bill. Okay na, first of all Pratham accept the bill. So nothing but Ayush account data to bill payable. The bill payable nothing but the cash is future paid. Okay na, it is a credit transaction. The cash is not immediately paid amma. In this future tense lo manami cash anedi pay chestam. Okay na, all of you understood? Being the bill accepted by Pratham. Again the Pratham is send the bill to Ayush. Okay na, all of you understood? First transaction is a selling transaction and another transaction is
Yes, ma'am.
a bill receivable transaction. Okay, all of you understood? This is the every problem
Understood,
compulsory
ma'am.
write down to the first transaction, second transaction. Okay na, all of you understood? Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now go to problem. So in this problem, girls, so in this problem, next, these bill were 1 month, second month and third month respectively. The first bill was endorsed to his creditor. So which is the first bill amount? The 6,000 rupees is the first bill. Okay na girls, once again I repeated. So Ayush, the bill was endorsed to his creditor Adarsh. Okay na, the bill is endorsed to his creditor Adarsh. Ayush first bill endorse చేశాడంట. So which is the first bill amma? The 6,000 rupees is the first bill. Okay na, this bill duration of month is only 1 month. Okay na, so only 1 month after the Pratham pay the cash to endorsees. Okay na, all of you understood? And one more important point amma, so in drawer book, sales transaction, bill receivable transaction and bill sent to endorsee, bill endorsed to creditor, and next one a bill discounted with the bank and bill sent to bank for collection. These transactions are only recorded to drawer book, not drawee book. Okay na, all of you have read to the accounting treatment. So these transactions are compulsory recording to the drawer book amma, not recording to the drawee book. Okay na, all of you girls, all of you okay na?
Okay, ma'am.
ఓకేనా, ఓన్లీ డ్రావీ బుక్లోనే మనం రికార్డ్ చేయాలి, నాట్ ఏ డ్రావీ బుక్. ఓకేనా, సో ద ఆయుష్ ఎండార్స్ ద బిల్ టు హిస్ క్రెడిటర్. సో ఆయుష్ డ్రాస్ ఏ బిల్, ఆయుష్ సెండ్ ద బిల్ టు creditor nothing but Adarsh amma. Adarsh is a endorsees. Okay na, Adarsh account data to bill receivable account, because the bill receivable nothing but Ayush account. ఎందుకంటే ఆయుష్ అనే అతను మనకు క్యాష్ అనేది రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటాడు కాబట్టి హీ ఈజ్ రైట్ డౌన్ టు ద బిల్ రిసీవబుల్ అకౌంట్. అండ్ అదర్స్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఎండార్సీస్. సో బికాస్ అదర్స్ ఈజ్ ఎండార్సీస్ నథింగ్ బట్ రియల్ అకౌంట్, he is receiving the bill. Okay na, so personal account others is a personal account, the others is a receiver kabatti always debit is a receiver, credit is a giver. So others is a receiving the bill receivable. Okay na, so others account data to bill receivable account, because the Ayush send the bill, endorse the bill to others. So which is endorsing amma? The bill receivable is endorsed. Okay na, all of you understood? Being the bill was endorsed to others. Okay na, which bill is endorsed amma? The bill receivable is endorsed and the first bill is endorsed. The first bill value total 6,000. Okay na, all of you understood? The first bill value 6,000. Okay na, all of you
Okay, ma'am.
okay na. And one more transaction. So the first bill value duration how much amma? 1 month. So 1 month after Pratham pay the cash to endorsee. Okay na, endorsees చూడండి, in this drawee book, bill payable account data to cash or bank account, being the first bill amount paid by Pratham, because the first bill value is duration 1 month. Before 1 month the Pratham pay the cash to Ayush. Okay na, creditor. Okay na, bill payable account data to cash or bank account. Okay na, all of you understood? Hello,
Understood, ma'am.
okay na, అర్థమవుతుందా?
అర్థమవుతుంది, ma'am.
ఓకే, అర్థమవుతుంది. ఓకే గర్ల్స్, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్, అండ్ ద సెకండ్ బిల్ వాస్ డిస్కౌంటెడ్ విత్ బ్యాంక్. సో ఆయుష్ ఏం చేశాడమ్మా? ఆయుష్ వన్స్ అగైన్ ద బిల్ సెంట్ టు బ్యాంక్. ఓకేనా, ద బిల్ discounted to bank. Okay na, so in this write down transaction bank account data and discount account data to bill receivable account, being bill discounted with bank. సో బిల్ ఎండార్స్ చేసిన, డిస్కౌంట్ చేసిన, బ్యాంక్ ఫర్ కలెక్షన్ కోసం పంపించిన These transactions are only recording to the drawer book, not drawee book. So bank account data and discount account data to bill receivable account. Okay na, the being bill is discounted with bank. And one more important point, the second bill duration is 2 months. Okay na, the second bill is duration 2 months. After 2 months the Pratham pay the cash to bank. Okay na, so write down paying transaction, bill payable account data to cash or bank account. The second bill value is 5000. Okay na, okay na girls. Skandeshwari, hello. Skandeshwari and Mamata, Tejasvi.
Yes, ma'am.
So ardhamainda Ramya,
Okay,
ardhamainda?
ma'am.
The second bill value 5000 after paying to duration of time 2 months. Okay na, so
2 months,
manaki
ma'am.
it is the honorable due date. Okay na, okay na. And third bill,
Okay, ma'am.
so now going to third bill. The third bill, Ayush sent to bank for collection. Bill sent to bank for collection account data to bill receivable account, being the third bill sent to bank. Okay na, Ayush, the bill sent to bank for collection. Bill sent to bank for collection account data to the bill is receivable account, because the bill is going to bank for collection. Okay na, the bill is going to bank. Okay na, so which is going to amma, which is going amma, the bill is going, because Ayush is a personal account. So in this book is drawee book, nothing but Ayush book kabatti, so tana book lo tana name enter cheyadu, and he is a person, nothing but person is a personal account. So personal account rule enti debit is a giver, credit is a debit is a receiver, credit is a giver. So okay na, so bank account data to discount account data to and bills receivable account. Okay na, all of you understood, being the second bill is discounted in bank. So bill sent to bank for collection and bill receivable account. So and the third bill value is 3 months. The third bill value is 3 months. Bill payable account data to cash or bank account, being the bill is honored on due date. So first bill, the duration of time is 1 month. The cash is paid to Pratham in 1 month, and the second bill is value వచ్చేసి 2 months. The Pratham is pay the cash in due date, and the third bill duration of months is 3 months. The cash is paid to Pratham in 3 months. Okay na, it is a honorable due date. Okay na, the bill is honored on due date. Both the bills are honored in due date amma. So 3 bills kuda manaki honored aina, dishonored avvaledu. Okay na, all of you understood girls, all of you understood. And one more important transaction, endorsement transaction. So journal entries in the book of Adarsh nothing but is a endorsees. Okay na, so bill receivable account data to Ayush account, because Ayush endorses the bill to Adarsh is a endorsee and Ayush is a endorser. Okay na, so bill receivable account data to Ayush account. Okay na, so nothing but Adarsh is receiving the bill. So Adarsh is a personal account rule ఏంటమ్మా మనకి, debit is a receiver. So which is receiving amma, the bill is receiving kabatti the bill receivable is a debit, and which one when it is coming amma, ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది మనకి, ఆయుష్ నుంచి వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఆయుష్ ఈజ్ ఏ క్రెడిట్, ఆయుష్ ఈజ్ ఏ గివర్ కాబట్టి రైట్ డౌన్ క్రెడిట్. సో being the bill endorse being the endorse bill accepted. So Ayush send the bill and others is accepting the bill kabatti the endorse bill accepted. So after finishing that cash account data to bill receivable account, being the bill was honored on due date. So both the bills are honored amma. Okay na, the first bill value is value is endorsed. The first bill duration of month is 1 month. So Pratham pay the cash to Adarsh. Okay na, cash account data to bill receivable account. Okay na, the first bill value వచ్చేసి 6000 rupees, because the first bill is staying in Adarsh. Okay na, all of you understood amma.